Welcome back, students. So what I did in the previous problem, I have taken it here as 8, but different value I have taken. So at that time the transportation problem was not balanced. So finally we have stuck up here at the 5th location. That is the what experience I wanted to give. What happens if the transportation problem is not balanced? Fine. So now presently this problem has a transportation is balanced. So we will solve it. Fine. So let me take this is D1 followed by D2 and followed by D3 and followed by supply. I think it is not writing. Wait. So let me write once again the values here. Fine. It is D1, D2, D3, supply, O1, O2, O3, O4, demand. Fine. With only one single table, we are going to solve this. And this is what the table is. Here it is 2, 7, 4, 3, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7. Correct me if I am wrong, student. 6, 4, 2 here. So 5, 8, 7, 14, 5, 8, 7, 14, 7, 9, 18, 7, 9, 18, total is 34 here, so I have written. So the first allocation I will make in the cell, this cell, fine. So respective supply and demand, so let me write 8 here, so this will get 0, so 18 minus 8 is 10 here, I will get, so this complete O2 will be eliminated. Fine. So now remaining 1, 2, 3, this and these things. So out of the remaining, so let me write the remaining here, D1, D2, D3, and here it is O1, O3, O4. So this is demand and this is supply. Fine. So let me write values 2, 7, 4 it is, followed by 5, 4, 7, and it is 1, 6, 2. So the next allocation is made in the cell, this cell, because this is the smallest one. So let me write this is 5, 7, 14, here it is 7, 9, 10. So next allocation is made in this cell. Here it is 7, so this gets 0, and here it is 7. So this complete row is got eliminated. So next I do what? It is D2 and it is D3 followed by supply, and it is O1 and O3 and it is over O4 and demand. Fine. So let me write the values here, remaining values. It is 7, 4, followed by 4, 7, here it is 62, and the demand is 5, 7 and 7, supply is 9 and 10. Fine. So which is the smallest element here? The smallest element is 2 here. So let me write 7 with comparatively with the magnitude. So it is 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and here it is 0. So what happens here? This O4 got eliminated. So the remaining is D2 and D3 followed by supply. Here it is O1 and O3 and demand. Fine. So now comes, it is 7, 4, 4, 7. The respective supply is 5, 7 and 9, 3 it is. Which is the smallest one? There are two smallest elements here, but choose any arbitrarily. So I will choose this one. So what happens here? It is 7 here. So let me, the 9 minus 7 is 5. So this is 0. So O3 will be eliminated. So now what happens? It is D2, D3, supply, and it is O1 and demand. Fine. So it is 7 and 4 it is, followed by 5. Fine. Followed by 5. What happens here if I choose this one or this one? Fine. So let me think what happens here. Fine. So it is 7, 4 and it is 5 and 3 here. So 4 is the smallest one. So let me take 3 here. So it becomes 0. It becomes 2 here. So this complete row is got eliminated. So finally we come to know that if the transportation problem is balanced. So 5 plus 8 is 13, 20, 34. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. 16 plus 18 is 34. But still, why there is a problem that the transportation problem is not getting solved? Fine. So let me think over it. So what is the problem here? What is the problem here? Fine. So this will be explained in the next session. Thank you.